Let's begin our session with some stretching. Stretch to the sky. Get on your tippy toes if you can. Stretch up straight, straight. And now put your arms out to your sides, from one side to the other. And Flutter is here to help us. Right, Flutter? All right, roll your shoulders back. And now roll them forward. Some of us get tight shoulders from sitting at a desk, or maybe doing some other repetitive motions. Now we'll do one at a time. Now turn from side to side, side to side. Slowly bend down and touch your toes. And then come up slowly, feeling each vertebra come up one at a time. Listening each one. Right? Turn your head from one side to the other. Feel the stretch in your neck. Pull it, but not too jerkily. In fact, do it as smoothly as possible. Now, tuck your chin in. Hold it, press it down. Feel the stretch in the back of your neck. Now look up, slowly move your head so you can look at the ceiling. Stare at the ceiling, drop your jaw, close your mouth, drop your jaw. So now you're stretching the skin and the muscles in your throat and your neck. Stretch. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, now open your mouth with a big yawn. Oh. Oh. Go ahead and yawn. Oh. Oh, ah, 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 ah. Feel the stretch. Ah, in your jaw. Ah, in the sides of your jaw. Stretch. Ah, ah. Pull your jaw down. Ah, in the front. Ah, and in the back. Ah. Feel the separation back here. Oh, oh, oh. Lower your tongue. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, let's go from side to side. Notice that my nose is still pointing forward at you, while my lips and cheeks are going from side to side. Now around and around, around and around. Move your faces around and around. Now let's say ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee. Now let's do ah. Ah, ee, ah, ee. Now let's do E-ya. 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 Now, how about those lips? Nice and loose for lips. Okay, we're going to do some lip trills. Vibrate the lips. We'll start the vibration here. Feel the vibration in your throat. Feel the vibration on your lips. Now, send it out with a big breath of air. Inhale. One more time. You should feel that vibration in your lips and in your nose. Oh, now my nose is all itchy because it's vibrating my lips and my face and my cheeks. Now let's take the tongue and go la, 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 la. Big breath. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Now let's do a blah. So that means b with the lips together, tip of the tongue, and then ah, in one motion like this. Blah 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 blah. Maybe a little faster. Blah 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 blah. All right, now tongue stretch. Tip of the tongue, hit the teeth on the way out. Pull it back in, tongue, hit the teeth on the way out. Stretch it as wide as possible. Let's begin. Big breath. Breathe when you need to. A little bit faster. 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 Rest. Rest a little bit. Shake out your face. Shake out your face so your lips and your cheeks and your tongue are nice and loose. This time, let's lick an ice cream cone. Yum, yum, yum. Good. Now, let's practice some voiced and voiceless sounds. So voiced, like zzz. Feel that in the throat, vibration. Zzz. The voice sound. Zzz. When I cover my ears, I'll feel and I'll hear the vibration in my head. Yes, lots of vibration in my big skull. Just the vibrating box. Okay, I'm going to do that again. The voiceless version, no vocalization here, no voicing of the voice box here. No vibration. Now I'm going to go with my hands over my ears. Really feel the vibration in here. All right. Now we're ready to start doing more pronunciation work, right?